Hi everybody. Joey and I have a math activity today that would be best used with your younger mathematicians, so probably your preschool mathematicians like Joe, or your kindergarten mathematicians who could use a little extra practice with number recognition. So the way this activity is going to work is you are going to take a regular deck of cards. I know that when you see what we have here, we have two different kinds of decks of cards. Just a little compromise here. I wanted to only use these cards. However, Joe wanted to use those. If you do have them, they come from a social thinking game. It's not likely that we do have them, so you don't have to use these cards at all. You can just use your regular deck of cards. As a way to get your mathematician first working, you can hand them the whole deck and ask them to only keep the aces, which represent 1, the 2s, the 3s, the 4s, the 5s, and the 6s. So right in just getting the game ready, they're already starting off by practicing some of their number knowledge. We have decided today to put 4 cards. Hang on just 1 second. We have decided today to put 4 cards down, and each of us has a die that we're going to use. Okay, Joe, what did you want to share with them about the math?
Okay, hi, mathematicians. We're going to do some different cards, and so, actually,
Tell them how it works. What do you do first?
we have to roll the die, and then find the matching cards if they are the same.
All right, so I'm going to roll first. I rolled...
Mommy, wait, it's Bambrina's turn.
Well, I'm going to go first for this part. I rolled a 2. So now I am going to turn over the 2 top cards and the 2 bottom cards to see if there are any 2s. I don't see any 2s. Now it's Joey's turn to roll.
And then it will be my sister.
We're going to turn them back over. Joey's going to roll the die.
I have a 5.
All right, so go ahead and turn them over and see if you can find a 5. Did you find a 5? You did find a 5. That's right. So you get to keep that card. Put your cards over there. And let's put another card out. All right.
Mommy, it's Bambrina's turn.
Well, let's let her go after we finish the video.
Come on.
Well, you have to be really flexible.
Okay.
All right. So I'm going to roll again.
What?
This time I rolled a 1. So I'm going to turn the cards over and look to see if there is a 1. And in fact, I see a 1 right here. So I get to keep that. I'm going to turn the other cards back over and replace the 1 that I found. All right, First you're going to roll your die.
Mommy, can it be Bambrina's turn?
She can have a turn right after you finish. Remember, you want to be flexible.
Okay.
All right, good job. I know that's really what you want to do, but what you have to do is be working on this math activity.
Okay, I rolled a 4.
You rolled a 4. Go ahead and turn them over and see if you can find a 4. Any 4s? Nope. All right, so let's turn them back over. And now it's my turn again. I am going to roll.
No.
Remember I said at the end of the game she can go. I'm going to roll. I rolled a 1. Let's look and see. No 1s for me. That's okay. I'm not going to get upset about it. All right, let Vampirina have a roll.
Okay. So, kids, it's Bambrina's turn. It's okay.
Oh.
She rolled...
What did she roll?
A 6.
A 6. All right, go ahead and turn it over and see if she can find any 6s.
6. 2 6s for her.
Did you check these too?
No. No 6.
No, neither of those were 6s. So one cool thing with this activity is if there are 2 of what you roll on the board, you can keep those as well. Okay, now we are back to my turn. I rolled a 5. So I'm going to turn the cards over and see if there are any 5s. And there is, in fact, a 5 for me, so I get to keep it.
Okay.
Go ahead and put one over here. All right, Joe, it's your turn to roll.
Oops, that was B's.
That's okay.
I mixed up. I have a 6, just like Bambrina.
Just like Vampirina. Are there any 6s?
Nope.
Nope, there are no 6s. All right, so we're going to push pause for just a minute. No, we're going to push pause in the game, and I'm going to talk to them. So one way that you could extend this math activity, if you have mathematicians of different levels, say you have a preschool and a kindergarten mathematician, and then maybe you have a first grade or a second grade or a third grade mathematician. Everyone can still play this together, and here's how that works.
I'll be in kindergarten.
All right, well,
Bye, kids.
Here's how this works. If I were to roll a 5, and there was no 5 here on the board, well, I can use the amounts that I have, 3 plus 2, to make 5. Let me finish one more thing, please. Another way that I could do that is 3 times 2, for 6, minus 1 equals 5. So I would be able to keep those cards as well. So another activity that multiple stages of mathematicians could all be working on at the same time. It is also the kind of activity where a mathematician could work on it on their own, even if they are at a young level like Joe. A great way to keep them really engaged in it is to allow them to bring a helper to play along with them. So again, for this math activity, not only are you working on number recognition for your youngest mathematicians, but you're also working on really building that math muscle when it comes to ways to show different amounts. Happy mathing!